Looking for pillows that deliver luxurious comfort and support all night long? Meet the Utopia Bedding Bed Pillows in queen size, an elegant set of 2 gusseted pillows designed for back, stomach, and side sleepers. With a sleek gray gusset, white piping, and double stitching, these pillows not only look premium but are built to last. Plus, they've earned the trust of over 70,638 satisfied users who've rated them online. That's no small feat. Each pillow is packed with soft polyfiber filling to cradle your head and neck for uninterrupted sleep. The rectangular shape and queen size are perfect for enhancing your bedding style while offering unmatched comfort. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, these pillows are versatile enough to adapt to your sleeping position, providing the support you need for a restful night. Made with a durable polycotton cover, these pillows are designed for all seasons and offer the perfect blend of softness and support. Cleaning is easy too. Spot clean or hand wash to keep them fresh and fluffy. Plus, the high-quality materials ensure they stay in great shape over time. So, if you're ready to upgrade your sleep game, the Utopia Bedding Bed Pillows are a fantastic choice. Stylish, comfortable, and trusted by thousands. What more could you ask for? Click the link below to grab your set today. After personally testing these pillows, our channel rates them 4.8 out of 5 stars. They tick all the boxes for comfort, durability, and style. The only minor improvement could be expanding the care instructions for machine washing, but overall, they're hard to beat. If you're seeking hotel-quality sleep in the comfort of your home, the Utopia Bedding Bed Pillows are worth every penny. They blend aesthetics with functionality seamlessly. We highly recommend them for anyone looking to upgrade their bedding experience. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to grab your set on Amazon today. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews. Sweet dreams.